If you're looking at tri-edge cards, this is a tri-edge X series. And there is a tri-edge series, which is the identical tool, which is a smaller, different shaped triangle. But they're the same exact tools, and they come in these 3 colors. This series comes in these 3 colors. There is a new tri-edge X that is pink. I'll go over that in a second. These cards are really a breakthrough in technology. I wouldn't necessarily look at these cards as a breakthrough in technology that somebody created a Bondo looking card that was in a triangle shape. That's not where the magic is. The magic is in the plastics technology. The orange is going to be the stiffer plastic. If you don't know what you're doing with this tool and you don't keep it maintenance, you could possibly scratch window film if you want to use this card directly on raw window film as you're trying to detail out little places, or use it to smooth out stuff in the cracks or corners, or even just use it to even squeegee water out from under the film. I would recommend that if you're going to use the tool, aggressively, you may want to consider the blue one or even the yellow one. This is the softest, and this one is in the middle. They're the identical tools. The only difference in colors is the how soft or how hard these plastics are. I personally like the blue one. It's a very soft, forgiving plastic. I can directly put this card on most window films, direct contact, and not have to worry too much about scratching. It's not a perfect tool like any tool, but if you keep the tool maintenance and you know how to use it, this tool is very friendly on raw window film and can be used in many, many different ways. Again, this is a special shape with a long end. If I were going to try to use this tool, this would be good for the harder to reach areas, maybe like on a Toyota Camry quarter window. I could get way back there. It would be a little more difficult to get back there with a card this size, this shape. But this one also has its place. It is smaller. You can do all the nice things you can do with a small triangle size card. The pink X card that I talked about earlier is a very soft tool, and the pink plastic material is kind of grippy. It really grabs the film, and it's really good for pushing out water. It's real soft. It's very safe. Doesn't scratch either. But a lot of people have been using this pink one. It's one that came out most recent. It's the newest of the group here, and it's only in the X series. But again, this is all the tri-edge cards, and I remember this one comes in the blue and the orange as well. And you need this card, or one of these cards. These could be daily drivers for you to use, on all your finishes on window films for the hard cards.